good enough. So the first lap has been cut. So this one I used the Ryoba saw, and my skills is ramping up. It's quite nice, a little bit too wide, and hopefully that's the way to go. Now I'm going to make the mortise in here, so that one is going to go in there. So this is going to be quite complicated, I think, but I'm going to use 16mm chisel, try to cut out this angle and this angle. This one will go in like that. It's the most complicated I've done so far, so let's see how it goes. So I'm going to start somewhere in the middle, then widen it. I think I'm going to hold it like that. I mean, so you have the straight side, the side that you don't want to cut away. We can see how I'm getting down, work from that direction and from that direction. I don't know the exact technique to get this correct, but I can't actually see. If it doesn't fit, I can't see why it doesn't fit, so I have to figure that out. I suddenly realized that I can use the cutoff from the tongue on the board going in there, that the pieces left over from those is actually the same shape as the middle tongue, so I can actually put that in there and see where I have to go. So the only thing I have to remember that it might be a little bit too small, but if I get this to fit there, then I can be pretty sure that I am in the right direction. Go deeper here and actually measure that angle there is too steep, and it's not steep enough. Pretty snug, although I didn't manage to get the bottom in here. You should of course actually meet in a 90-degree angle, and of course it doesn't quite do that. I mean, the stability is actually coming from the resting areas here and the gluing on the side here. So. Okay, so maybe it's not deep enough, or maybe it's too narrow in the bottom. I think it's the back edge here. No. Okay. This side that isn't flat, of course. I don't know what else you can do about that. Yeah, good enough.
If you like my videos, feel free to do nothing.
Just grab a cup of coffee
and enjoy.